This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Next up, we're going to want to install some speed plugins. Now, I can't emphasize enough the importance of having a website that loads fast. There was some study somewhere that if it takes more than 2 seconds, like half of the people that would normally visit your website will just drop off. And think about how you browse websites. Don't you notice that if you were to search for something on Safari and if it's taking too long to load, you might just go to a different website? That's killer for people visiting your website. So these are some free plugins that are going to dramatically speed up your site. So let's start with Fast Velocity Minify. And you can click on these links and they will just take you to the page where you can download the plugin. But I think a much quicker way to do it is to go directly through your dashboard, hover over plugins and click on Add New. And from here, just type the name of the plugin you're looking for. So this is the first one, Fast Velocity Minify. Let's click Install Now. And once it's installed, click on Activate. And that's it. Now disable emojis. So first, let's hover over plugins and click on Add New again. And disable emojis. And this is the one we're looking for. So let's give that installation and activate. Next up is Far Future Experietor. Install now and click activate. A3 Lazy Load. These are like the most random plugins, but they're worth installing. A3 Lazy Load. Install that. Optimize database after deleting revisions. I'm sorry, I don't know why I think that's funny. There's nothing funny about that. Optimize database. And this is the one you're looking for with that broom. Click on Install Now and then activate. WP Super Cache. Oh, there it is. And this is the most popular out of all of them. Oh, I see what's going on here. So this is interesting. With the WPX hosting, they already installed the plugin W3 Total Cache automatically. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to deactivate the plugin we just downloaded and stick with the one that our hosting installed automatically, which is W3 Total Cache. And I'll just delete that super cache. And that's it. So now, go back to our website. And hard to tell, but it should be loading faster. And if you want, there's a ton of things you can do in all of these settings to optimize these plugins. Typically, I don't do that. I just like what it does automatically. But if it gives me some notices, then okay, I'll do what you're telling me to do. And resize the thumbnails. And this is a feature that's built into the Focus Blog theme where they can automatically optimize photos for you, which is pretty awesome. All that means is it just lowers the size of the photo, which makes your website load faster.